Today we will see basic editing tools in 3D AutoCAD. Boolean operations. There are three Boolean operations defined in AutoCAD 3D which are given below: union, subtract, intersect, or union. The union command is used to combine the selected 2D regions or 3D solids by the addition. The selected parts are combined to form a single region, surface, or solid, but we are required to select the parts of the same objects. We can select two or more parts to combine it into a single region, solid, or surface. Steps are listed below. Select union icon from the ribbon panel or type union on the command line. Press enter. Select object 1 and object 2 as shown below. Press enter. The combined object is shown below. Subtract. The subtract command is used to subtract the selected 2D solids by the subtraction. The steps are listed below. Select the subtract icon from the ribbon panel to, or type subtract on the command line or command prompt and press enter. Select object 1, press enter. Select object 2, press enter. The object will now look like the below image. This is how subtraction has been done. So we have selected first object and subtracted the another object from it using subtract command. Then intersect. The intersect command is used to create a 2D region or 3D solid formed by two overlapping regions or solids. Consider the below image. This is the intersect image. Now let us understand with an example. The steps are listed below. Select the intersect icon from the ribbon panel or type intersect on the command line and press enter. Select object 1 and object 2 and press enter. Slice. The slice command lets you cut a 3D solid along a plane. When you slice a 3D solid by using a planar curve such as circle, 2D polylinear curve, among many others, when you slice a 3D solid, you can choose which part of the 3D solid is retained, or you can keep both. This image shows a solid model that has been sliced in half. To subtract the slice command, choose slice from the solid editing panel on the solid tab. After the command is started, specify a 3D solid to slice, an axis or object to define the cutting plane, and then finally with new 3D solids to keep. AutoCAD fillet edge and chamfer in 3D fillet edge. The fillet command in 3D is used to create smooth edges. Consider the below images. The steps are listed below. Type fillet edge on the command line or command prompt and press enter. Type R or radius on the command line. Press enter. Type 1 radius value. Press enter. Select the edge to apply fillet on it. Here we have selected the edge as shown below. Press enter. The object after fillet will look like the below image. The chamfer command in AutoCAD is used to create slanted edges. Let's understand with an example. The steps are listed below. Type chamfer edge on the command line or command prompt and press enter. Type D or distance on the command line. Press enter. Specify distance 1 or for example 2 distance value 1. Press enter. Specify distance 2, for example 2 distance value 2. Press enter. Select the edge to apply chamfer on. Here we have selected the edges as shown below. This is the chamfer edge. Now we will see in AutoCAD. This box I have drawn. Now by 100 by 100 cube I have drawn. Now I will show you chamfer command. First go in solid chamfer edge. First select the distance. Give distance as 40, any distance 40, another distance as 50, and select the edge. This is how chamfer applies. Now control C. Now if I select distance as if I give distance as 10 mm and second distance also has 10 mm. And if I select loop, then I can select the edge. If I don't want this face, I can select another face by using next command. This is how the next face gets selected, and I can say accept. This is how chamfer gets done. We use chamfer or a fillet to avoid corners and for reducing the stress concentration. Now I will be showing fillet command. Fillet. In chain, I can select number of edges I want. Any edge and keep radius. I can give radius as 20. Enter. This is how fillet occurs. This is how fillet occurs. Now in loop, similar like chamfer, we can select the edge, the face gets selected. Accept. Radius as 10 mm. This is how face a whole loop gets selected. This is how loop fillet has been given. Enter. This is how it looks like a fillet edge. I can show you by rotating it. Whole face gets filleted. Now I will be drawing. A cylinder. Sorry. Now if I I will be showing you Boolean operations. Like first is subtract. I want to subtract this cylinder from this cube. So I will be selecting first cube, enter, and then cylinder, enter. This is how subtract command is used. Control Z. Now intersect. I will be selecting both the objects and enter. This is how intersect loop. Control Z. Now if this object is different and this object is different, I want to get them as one object only, so I will be using union command. I will be selecting this object and pressing enter. So now whole object gets selected. If I select one object, both the object gets selected simultaneously. This is how union command is used. Thank you.